sound like somebody's grandma. Oh my God, I sound like my own grandma. YouTube, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Something About Alicia, and I'm Alicia. Hello to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your like and beautiful comments in my most recent videos. They mean so much to me, and I want to say thank you guys. Today's video is going to be a Glossier video. A few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, I can't remember the exact time, I did an unboxing on the Glossier Play launch they had. They had launched lip products, they had launched highlighters, they had launched eyeliners, glitter, a pencil sharpener. They had launched a bunch of different things. So when they had first launched, I had picked up two products. I had picked up the Vinylic lip in Pony, and I had picked up a highlighter. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it. Hopefully I'm pointing to the right corner. I think it's this one. I'll link it up there so you can go check that out. But after posting that video, Glossier reached out to me. Yeah, I know. They reached out to me via Instagram. I know, like, when I seen that message, I was so excited. I was ecstatic. I couldn't even believe that they reached out to me, my little humble little channel. So basically, they reached out via Instagram and they wanted to send me more product. They actually sent me 2 more lip products because I love Pony so much. And today I'm going to do some lip swatches for you and a little mini unboxing. I'm going to try on Pony again. So for people who didn't see it, I'm going to try on Pony as well. And then I'm going to try on the 2 colors they sent me. So they sent me Bank and Baby. So basically the red shade and the deep berry shade. And actually I have quite a few lipsticks like this. Those aren't colors that I'm unfamiliar with. But what I don't have is glossy lip lacquer. So this is really the first for me. I was really happy with Pony because it was like the perfect nude glossy lip. They sent me a little note. I'll read it to you guys. This is what it looks like. It said, "Hi Alicia, we love your YouTube video trying on Vinylic lip in Pony. Here's a few more shades to try out, Glossier." So I'm excited, y'all. I'm like super excited. I probably should say this is not sponsored. I was not paid to do this. That'd be nice, but I wasn't paid. They just sent me some more shades to try out, and I thought that it would be a good video because I already made one video of Pony and I loved it. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys today. And I had lip liners because I usually line my lips before I try on products. So I'm gonna line my lip a little bit. I'm gonna try on Pony first again. And this is ColourPop in Pitch. And we're gonna do Pony again, just for those who didn't see the first video. And there's already some up there, so. So this is Pony. I love it just as much as I loved it in the first video. I love Pony so much. It's like the perfect nudie pink. And it's perfect, like, it's just the perfect pink. Pony is amazing. I love Pony so much. We'll see if I have the same reaction to the other 2 products. Mind you, I did not try this on. I got this product on Thursday and I waited to record it. As much as I wanted to try it on beforehand, I said, I want to give a genuine reaction to the lip colors. So I waited. I honestly waited. So I'm going to take this off and then I'm going to try on Baby. I have not even opened this yet, okay? I'm going through this for the first time with you guys, and they had the nerve to put it in a red package. Oh my goodness. I think it's cute. I think the package is cute. Honestly, I feel like they didn't need this. I don't feel like they needed that. I feel like they could have just had it in this and it'd been fine. But if you want the experience, here it is. Little, what do they call it? ASMR? I don't know. Yum, but I'm out of touch. Baby, I have not. This is literally the first time I'm trying this. Brand new. Haven't tried it yet. Okay. For the people who want to see that. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm eating a good sandwich. I feel like I'm having like really good baked ziti. It's like a little vintage too. I love it so much. This is beautiful. I need to find somewhere to go because I only get dressed up for this camera. Ah, shoot. Okay. All right. Don't smile too big. This might not be a first date lipstick. I'm excited for that, baby. Oh yeah, these are good. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these. This is Bank. I'm excited. This is literally my first lip swatch. I haven't done lip swatches before. I love doing lip swatches. I think it has good lips for lip swatches, so. Bank. Here we go. Brand new, first reaction. Okay. Do that for you guys. There you are. Ooh, you're dark. Beautiful. Here we go. You can't rush with this. You can't rush, because this is, if you rush with this, you're gonna look like maybe you got hit in the mouth or something. What language was that? I don't even know what language I just spoke. Wow. I'm feeling myself. Wow. This is beautiful. Woo, they hit the nail on the head. They hit the nail on the head. I sound so old. I sound like an old woman. I sound like somebody's grandma. Oh my God, I sound like my own grandma. Oh, and all of my teeth. I guess that's the only bad part. Maybe I put on too much. I don't care. It can be on my teeth. No, I'm just kidding. So these were Pony, Baby, and Bank. Beautiful colors. I love them. They're beautiful. Thank you so much to Glossier for sending me those two colors. I love them just as much as I love ponies. I'm going to wear them like crazy. I'm gonna find somewhere to go. I don't care if I'm going to the grocery store. And thank you to everyone who watched this video and who liked and commented and just supported me from day one. Thank you guys so much. And that's all, folks. Let me stop. I'm like super excited. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, love, and light. Mwah. Transfer.